grab your dumbbells or grab your books or whatever you've got there, just something that's, fairly heavy. I want you to sit up tall though, all right? Get yourself in the right position. Put your feet wide so you're stable, all right? Have your arms just comfortably down by your side. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do 2 bicep curls. So 1, 2, and then we're up. Okay? 1, 2, and then into shoulder press. 1, 2, good. 1, 2. So this is using your biceps and using your shoulders. And stay strong in the position all the way through. That's good. About this pace. No faster. So be controlled all the way through and sit up nice and tall and pull that belly button in towards your spine so you can use your abdominals. That's good. Nicely done. So really focus on the muscles that you're using. Concentrate on using your bicep and then pushing up with your shoulders. That's nice. Just do a couple more of these and then we'll go into the next exercise. Let's just do one more. And down. All right, so now drop your dumbbell. Just hold on to one, hold it like this. The start position is above your head. You drop it behind your head and then off your chest, okay? So this does the back of your arms and also does your chest. This is known as a compound exercise because it uses more than one muscle group. This is a really good one for toning up the back of the arms. And remember what we're wanting to do is we're wanting to use up as much stored sugar as we can in your muscles because that gets the response, that triggers the response that we're after, and that's to make your muscle cells more sensitive to insulin. It's good. It's nicely done. Just keep that form going. Just try your best to keep up with me. Keeping your elbows in fairly tight to your head and pushing up strongly. We're almost there with these ones. Let's do 2 more from now. There's 1 and there's 2. All right, the next one are bent over rows. So this one, you're leaning forward, your arms are down by your side like this, and you're lifting up. Bent over rows. So what you're thinking about here is lifting your elbows up high and controlling it on the way down. So this uses those big back muscles, latissimus dorsi, uses them, also uses your bicep muscles. It's a really good exercise, this one, that you can do safely and strongly. And I want you to really focus on lifting those elbows up as high as you can. Almost there. Let's do 2 more. 1 and 2. Good. All right, nicely done. Okay, so let's give the upper body a bit of a rest and we'll go into legs. You can just hold on to your weights or put them down by the side. So straighten one leg out and just lift up. Okay, so this is using your quadriceps, those big strong muscles at the front of your leg. It's really important to keep them strong because you use them a lot. You use them to stand up, you obviously use them to walk. They're a big strong muscle that if you don't use them, you tend to lose them. That's good. And if we want to keep mobile, these are important ones to keep switched on. Let's just do 3 more. 1, 2, and 3. Good. Now we need to do the other leg. Lifting up, concentrating on squeezing those quadriceps. You know, it looks like a simple movement, but as you're probably feeling, you do it a few times, you can certainly start to feel it. And that's a good thing. You want to feel them burn a little bit. I know it's a little uncomfortable, but that really is a positive, in fact, because it lets you know that you're using that muscle and that you're putting it in a position where it needs to adapt. That means to improve, in other words. So we want to feel that. Nicely done. Couple more. And done. Good, well done. So now we'll give our upper body a bit of a break. So just pop the dumbbells down and we're going to do some squats. So put your legs wide, and if you need to, you can use some assistance to get yourself up. So put your hands here on your thighs, roll forward and stand up. Okay, so that's one option that you've got. So using your arms. Other one, which is really good, is to turn yourself around and use the side of the chair and push yourself up with your hand like that. I think I'll stay in this position. All right, so let's get into it. We'll do some squats. So lifting up and down. Good. So control it on the way down as well. All right, so you don't have to stop flopping yourself down. You're pushing up strongly. Using your arm as little or as much as you need to, but just all the way feeling safe. All right, so we'll do another 5 from now. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. We'll do 2 more, 1 more. Good, nicely done. Okay, back to the front. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do some cleans. All right, so grab both of your dumbbells, put your legs wide apart. You want to touch the ground and lift straight up. Touch the ground and lift straight up. Don't worry if you can't get all the way down. Just get this action going and you reach as far as you can. So you might just get to here, but that's okay. But just be strong in that upward motion and controlled all the way through. This is a really strong movement, and if you can pull this one off, you get a lot of benefit throughout your whole body. It's a really terrific one. That's nice. Okay, we'll do say 5 more from now. There's 1, there's 2, think strong here at the end. There's 3, it's good. There's 4, 1 more, done. Nicely done. Next one are known as wood choppers. Okay, so this hand goes across your body and you're lifting up and across. Okay, up and across. You want to lift that hand up high across your body. It's good. Again, uses a lot of muscles. A lot of those posterior muscles of the back of your shoulder, but you'll also feel it all the way down into your lower back. Keep yourself up tall, so what you may feel like doing is rolling forward, but I really encourage you to keep up nice and tall when you're doing these ones. Let's just do 2 more from now. There's 1 and 2, nicely done. Other side, wood choppers, good, across your body. So just get the feel for the first couple. It's all about control when you're doing strength work. And really, you can get so much benefit from returning to start position. So many times people do only one part of the action, but I really want to strongly encourage you to have control all the way through. Nice. That's good. These are good. Let's do 3 more of this one. 1, 2, and 3. That's good. And then the last one we're going to do is just straight out to the side. These are called lateral raises. Okay, so you put your hands straight out in front of you like this, and then you take them backwards behind your body. This is a very, very strong exercise. So if you need to have a little break in between, please do. Let's do another 6 from now. Okay, there's 1, keep your body up tall, 2, 3, 4, good, 5, 1 more, done. Wow, so that was a solid little bit of strength work. Well done for getting through that. So as a result of that, you put yourself really in a great position to flick the switch on putting yourself into fat burn.
Whoa, whoa.